leg of lamb. Using my recipe, I like to use an awesome gadget to do sous vide cooking, and it will provide the most delicious, intense lamb flavor. It's really easy. You can walk away and go shopping for 4 hours and come back to an awesome dinner. Sous vide means under vacuum in French, and it employs using an immersion circulator such as this. You attach in a large pot of water. That gentle, pre-programmed, very precise, computer-regulated temperature is the maximum that you will get your product up to. I'm going to program mine to 128 degrees to bring this to a perfect rare. You could put it in there for 2 hours, you could put it in there for 10 hours if you want to. It will never cook beyond 128 degrees. The beauty of that is the longer that your meat has in contact with these bold flavors, the more flavorful it becomes, the slower it comes up to that temperature, the less shrinkage you have, the more pronounced lamb flavor you will have. That's one of the benefits of sous vide cooking. When that's done, we're going to take it out and sear it just to get the fat cap and everything nice and brown. That's where the actual cooking from rare to a nice, palatable, pretty, medium rare is going to happen. With a razor sharp knife, butterfly the leg of lamb out until it's about 3/4 of an inch thick. This will ensure even cooking, and it'll also make a prettier presentation when you slice the end product. Next, we're going to take a shallow pan and heat up some canola oil. I have some cumin seed and mustard seed that I'm going to fry in here until it's very fragrant. Then we'll transfer this over to a mortar and pestle to make a nice paste. Smear the spice mixture on the lamb on all the open faces. Season it heavily with salt and pepper and roll it back up. Use kitchen twine to secure it. Place the marinated leg of lamb in an approved sous vide bag, and I'm going to use this vacuum sealer to remove the oxygen and seal the bag shut. Set your immersion circulator to exactly 128 degrees if you want to eat a medium rare product later on. We're going to make a quick chimichurri sauce to go with the lamb. Chop some cilantro and mint. Mint is a classical pairing with lamb, and this chimichurri with this red wine vinaigrette is delicious. Going to do a nice brunoise of shallots. Some fine chopped garlic. And we're going to do a brunoise of Fresno chilies. A healthy splash of red wine vinegar, and a copious amount of good quality extra virgin olive oil. Again, don't be stingy with the kosher salt and black pepper. Mixy mixy. After 4 hours, take the lamb out. Open the package up. Drain off any juices. Blot the lamb leg dry. Over high heat in a cast iron pan, brown the lamb on all sides. This method is called a reverse sear. It gives you the Maillard reaction, which caramelizes the meat after the meat has been cooked from inside out. We took our rare lamb and seared it up to a perfect medium rare. A sprinkle of salt. And then we're going to top it with some of the chimichurri sauce. Oh yeah, it's a lot of work, but man, is it worth it.